Alright, I got a little opportunity to cut some stuff, and I took a little video of the machine cutting. But I thought these were pretty cool. This is one of the parts I cut. Just looks like a piece of maple. I've got it in the sunshine for a reason. See if I can get this on camera. When the sun shines through it, I get a teddy bear. Turned out pretty cool. Here's the cut side. I'll probably use these in a night light for a child's room. Anyway, see if I can get this again a little better. And get this in the sunlight, it'll turn out pretty neat. But in the dark with a light bulb behind it, it looks really neat. And I got one more. Well, this is just a gear that I cut out of a piece of mahogany underlayment. I've got a matching gear. Goes with it. They're pretty neat. And this last one, I'll show you. I get my hand in the sunlight again. Sorry. Oh shoot. The sun's just not as bright as it was. See if I can get a better picture in the window here. Now, the sun's gone. Got a cloud coming over the sun. Anyway, this is a piece of art I grabbed off the internet. Just Google images, grabbed it real quick and made a program to run it. It looks pretty neat with the light shining through it too. But I'm getting pretty good detail with this thing. These are, I was just running a sharp V bit and with about a 15,000th step over, and did a pretty good job. Anyway, that's all for now.